Oh, what's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ian and we are in episode number 19. In this episode we shall be learning the line command in relationship with the polar tracking. Now I'll be drawing an hexagon 500 millimeters long for each side, and let's jump into the tutorial. Here we are in AutoCAD. So first things first, we need an hexagon. If I'm to pick my line command and try out the shape, you don't really get it. Now let's see the procedure. We can delete this. The first thing is for you to check or set your units. I'll reduce the precision to 0. Okay. The next thing is to set your polar tracking angle, the tracking angle. Come to this little arrow, left click on it, and we have the 60, the 45, these angles already listed. So you check or you tick this one and it is active. So you see that little tick applied, and then you go to your settings, then under the increment you can add 60. This is one way, then you say okay. But now this set of angles increases with 30, or it is in 30-30. Now let's see how you can make a new set. Same protocol, go to polar tracking settings here and tick new, add additional angles, then we go to new, then add 60. With that, say okay. Now once I go back again, you see that the set of 60 is set current with a tick, and the increment is in 60. So let's do the geometry now. Pick your line from up there, come to space, specify your first point there. Let's go right and activate now the ortho mode, then type in 500, enter again. Now zoom to see everything. Here is our first line. Now we need another line at this end, and it should go at an angle of 60 degrees. Now activate this polar tracking, and now you see that you can snap over your 60 angle. In that way, you just type 500. If you are snapping over that green dotted line, you may not press tab to edit the angle. You need to just press enter again. So that is an inclined line at 60 degrees. Then we can do that on the right. Then you can look for 120 over there. Still snap over the green axis, that dotted green axis, and type in 500. That is our length. Enter and enter again. So we need now the top. Activate your line command enter, click over the endpoint. Now you can go over that and you still reference over your angle of 60 degrees and place 500, enter. You can place spacebar still or wherever you place enter. So let's place again spacebar to activate again the command here, and you can specify, you can go ahead to type in your 500 or you use your reference like that and click spacebar again, and then you can close up the shape. So here is the accurate figure, 500 length, and it is really amazing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.